Mango's trying to play with his disco ball, but Blueberry wants to play with Mango. Blueberry's over here. Mango is this one. Mango always likes to play with the disco ball, but Blueberry wants to play with Mango. Let's see what they do. Mango plays with Chickadee. Oh, careful, Mango. Oh, careful, Blueberry. Blueberry always likes to be with Mango. Blueberry's on my right, and Mango's on my left. You gotta push harder, Mango. Gotta push Chickadee harder. You are pushing it harder. Maybe it needs batteries again? Let's see. And there goes Elephant. Hi, Mango. You like to play with your disco ball? Yes, Mango likes to play with his disco ball. Now, Blueberry, what are you doing? You're ripping out all his hair. No, no, no. We don't want you to do that. Look, Elephant used to have a set of hair like this. And Blueberry's plucking it all off. Okay, we don't pluck it off. What's Mango doing? Hi, baby. Mango likes to play with his disco ball. And he was chasing Blueberry away. Can we have some action? Can we have some action? Mango. Blueberry. Hi, baby. This is Blueberry. What is Mango going to do? You want to push the ball? Can Mango push the ball? Very good. Push the ball. Gotta push harder. Very good, Mango. Mango pushed the ball. How about the disco ball? You want to go get your disco ball? Want to go get your disco ball? Where's Mango's disco ball? Want to throw it down? Very good. Mango loves to play. Yeah, go get the disco ball. Yes, Blueberry knows how to ring the bell. Very good. Blueberry's ear is nice and blue now. Before, he was having some kind of hormone imbalance. His ear was crusty and kind of reddish brown, but now he's all well again. Blueberry, show everyone your cere. Can we see your cere? Yeah, you're nice and blue. All healthy. Let's see what's Mango doing. Oh, Mango's scratching his head. Okay. I guess it's grooming time. Bye.